Diyaari ka dito sa bank. Oh, ano? Morning na. Araw na. May araw. Okay. Nasa cafeteria na ako. No? I'm recording. Roblo? Hindi na ka-add si Roblo ako. Ano yan?
Owner of the Roblox.
Ano yan? Scary yan. Nakagulat yan.
Wala. Magulat? What do you think, Kurt? Takot.
Gusto ko pancake. Kalimutan ko yan.
Yes!
Yeah, may pancake na ako.
I'm gonna save it for later. Wish you. Kurt, how many do you have?
Ano?
Your head.
85.
Mine is 70.
Ano nangyari? Yan, ngayon.
Kurt, look at the TV ba?
Ano? Nakita na yan ako.
Huh?
Is mama din.
Playtime. Laro time. Gusto ko ang ball.
Play with your friends. Kurt.
Okay. Naglaro na ako. Oh, ABCD na. Ano to?
Kurt, let's play
Ja!
hide and seek.
Ja! Tingnan mo.
Kurt, let's play hide and seek.
Hero? Here. We're in the outside. Oh.
You're gonna be stuck here if you're...
Ja, look, I'll ride with you.
Kurt, you're gonna stuck here if you go to the outside.
Yes,
Kurt,
no.
go here!
Why?
Just go because you're
Bakit?
stuck here.
Oh. Wow, my fish. Ano ba yun? Flag. Roblox.
Ano ko bro?
Titiba-tiba. Check it. Oh my god, my lucky upstairs. Mommy, are you scared of snake?
Yeah, of course.
I'm super scared of snakes because...
Yeah, you can tap this remote lock. You can change it.
Allah, he will kill his dog.
Oh my god.
Allah, what happened again?
Is his dad is a murder? Mommy?
Oh, cutie.
Tell me if there's no snake now.
Oh my god, lagot. Ay, oh! It's not a prisoner. Snake! Hey! Hey!
Oh my God, Ja.
There's a prison again. So come here on the corner of the fire. Come. I'm here, oh.
Hello. It's not dead pala, Ja.
Oh,
I'm
nakalimutan ko. Sorry.
up at the vent.
Bye-bye.